In this assignment, we have gone through chapter number 9, and we have chose ERP to be our system to highlight on. We have chose Dewa to be our sample, and here with Mr. Rajab, who's going to talk about Dewa.
Dewa is the main Dewa stands for Dubai Electricity and Water Authority. Dewa is the main provider for water and electricity, mainly in Dubai. And the main system which is used in Dewa is SAP. So all of the systems are using SAP application. Good evening, Mr. Basim. How are you, sir?
How are you?
Alhamdulillah, fine. Can you, first of all, Mr. Basim, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Basim Adil. I'm working for Dewa for about 5 years now as a senior manager for application for Kawadir as a SAP consultant. Now Dewa is using, after we implement SAP for Kawadir, we are using SAP now for 3 years, and it's getting working fine.
What are the categories of ERP?
What are the categories of ERP system? There are 3 categories for ERP system. First, industry-specific ERP, which is used for a specific need of an organization. Second, web-based ERP, which requires a high-end computers to run them. Third, small business ERP. This is a cost-effective ERP system that covers a part of the business process.
General category of ERP, it's like now there is Microsoft, Oracle, SAP. A lot of companies competing now about who's to get the market share about the ERP.
Yeah.
But when we go try to select which best company to implement ERP, we find SAP.
Hi, Hamad.
Hi.
How are you today?
Hi, Alhamdulillah.
Hamad, what do you think the purpose of ERP is?
Its solution allows you to have an integrated view of all your business process and sub processes, which further allow efficiency and effectiveness in achieving your business goals.
So ERP, one of the best solution, because ERP is like enterprise application integration. In Dewa, it's not about only HR and finance. No, we have like CRM, SRM, supply chain, different modules. So to get the benefit of this one, we need to get integration of all of this department. In SAP, we call these modules.
So this is a type of a capability in ERP, you mean, right?
Yeah, the capability of ERP, the integration of all of these modules.
Yes.
ERP is proven foundation capabilities for the any business in terms of excellence and innovation. ERP usually enhance many capabilities of different functions like finance, HR, sales, and procurement.
What is Dewa's market segment and size?
Yeah,
can you talk a little bit about
market segment for Dewa? Because as you know, Dewa is one of the biggest markets, so they try to divide Dubai to part of and segment. Yeah. Like as you know, there is healthcare city. It's one of the biggest segment for them.
Yeah.
So for healthcare city, they have one segment for them only.
Oh. So what Dewa was looking for when they invested in this SAP system?
Yeah, when we
as
tried
a ERP.
to the Dewa strategy and Dewa vision, we didn't consider about this one. We consider about the benefit and performance and support, because also, as you know, one of the big things from about the software to use it, the support, on live support. So the big thing about SAP, on live support. So if you face any issue, we'll try to call SAP. They will have like a high priority to answer our query. So the benefit from using ERP, we had a lot of benefit. In our part is not like the different part, because now for HR it's relating to the employee. But if you look forward like billing, like CRM, SRM, supply chain, they have a lot of benefit, because our inventory now, everything is coming, going, it's recording in our system.
Internally, the users of ERP systems are employees of the organization at all levels, from workers, supervisors, mid-level managers to executives. External users are the clients and suppliers.
Like internal employee and external employee. Internal employee like employees working, and we have category of internal employee like normal employee and like coordinator, and there is managers. And ERP came to manage the relation between all of them. And for external employee like customer who's coming to getting power, getting water, so he need to deal also with Dewa using our system like billing system. So from internal the employee, he can start like applying his leave, applying his any process we have, like accommodation, like continuous education, a lot of process we have employee he can use. And for coordinator, he's a responsible one to manage in behalf of the employee to raise his application, and the manager is the one responsible to approve for his employee.
Rajab, since you are Dewa employee and you have been for a very long time in Dewa, can you describe what changes being implemented once ERP is being introduced to the company?
I will give you a simple example. Like for promotions, we have multiple levels for approval. Like 4 levels were there for approval. But since we implemented the ERP, we have removed some levels of approval just to adopt with the ERP system. So there was a change in the management level. This is a good example of it.
Do you think there are some other changes on the training level? Are there special trainings being given to the employees?
Yeah, of course. You know, the system is new, so some employees, maybe they need some time to get used with the new system and the new how to use the system. So of course there was some trainings which has been provided to the employees.
To a different level.
Yeah.
Can you please explain what IT infrastructure role when ERP was implemented, and what was the additional technology investment made for the purpose of the new IS?
One of the best things about Dewa is they have good infrastructure before also implementing ERP. Not like other company, when they implementing SAP, they will face a lot of problem like servers, like network, like missing of some system.
Systems are very expensive. Usually companies are investing a lot in order to keep in line with the latest versions. In order to keep updated, you need to invest a lot in the systems. This is one aspect of keeping up to date. The other aspect is to provide the training and keeping your staff as well up to date on the latest version of any system. Management usually like to see their companies on top level of innovation and excellence.